Hi everybody, it's Patty Underwood. Today I'm going to be working with Lucy Clay micro stencils, and here they are. This is just about all the ones they have, maybe more. I thought they were for a one-time use, but actually they're not. They can be used as a texture. This is one with mica powder. The stencil was left on. This one here, the stencil is left on, and I colored it with the liquid clay, the colors. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. This was a pendant that I made with one of the stencils, and I'm going to do something like that similar today, but I'm going to be working in blue. I'm going to be using the same cutters, RJ Crafts, and today this is the stencil I'm going to use. It's really pretty. So first I'm going to cut out the form. Now when I use this, I'm going to have to cut the stencil itself to be able to fit on this. And you can just do that with scissors. I'm cutting the clay at the same time. That's just how tricky I am. Let's see if that will fit. Almost. But you could also put your liquid clay and then lift this up and bake the liquid clay. Okay, that'll do. Now I'm going to cut another piece that's going to go on top of this, and then cut the inside with that. Where's my plastic when I need it? Do this one and look and make sure you get it right. Looks pretty good. Get the little things off. I'm trying to make my videos close enough that you can see. I hope I'm succeeding at that. That might help. Okay. Let's get the little things off, especially on the inside. Okay. Looks pretty good. Okay. Now I'm going to take my ball tool. I put all my paints in here, the liquid clay in here. I have all the colors. It's like a dark magenta, dark green, yellow, blue, red, and of course they can be mixed to make all of the colors. This is white, and they also have black. This white is very, very opaque. This is just done on scrap clay. See the white? That was one little coat, and it shows up great. And it could be added to lighten up any of the colors. So, let's see. I think I'll just start with the blue. And you just dab it. You can mix any of the colors with the transparent to make them, you know, more transparent. All it takes is one little dot each of the ball tool in the clay. And just clean it each time. And I think I'll do more blue. kind of like coloring with the coloring books. It's very, very relaxing. And because the stencil sticks up from the clay, you're not really going to go outside of the lines. It's a barrier. Now for the next color, I'm going to show you how you can mix the color right there in the cell. Now, okay, I'm going to do the purple. I hope I'm not boring you to tears. How much can you talk about? I've also been using their bigger stencils. They're a clear stencil, and of course you could use them for mica powders or paint or anything. They're real nice too. I did a pair of earrings with them with embossing powder. Just left the stencil on, put black embossing powder, lifted it off, baked it, and that's what I got. Thought that was pretty cool. Okay. Alright, I can do that and come back. Meanwhile, I just want to show you what I mean by mixing the color. Now I'm going to put a little tab of green in here. It's not going to turn green, it's going to turn like a lime green. And I thought that was pretty cool when I was playing the last time. And like anything, the more you put, the darker it'll get. Yeah, those two got dark, but I can remove some. Just dip it on the towel and take some off. Yeah, that works too. Okay. Let's add a little more yellow. Okay. Next, this is going to go on top. That's about all I had to paint anyway. Press that in real nice. I'll put a hole up the top. Okay, I'm going to bake this. When I come back, I'll finish.